Well, guys, this is the after effect of the snow on Saturday night, and right now we're cleaning. But for the South, this is ridiculous, man. All the snow for the South, you don't expect this thing in the South. I mean, this is in New York and stuff like that. But in the Carolinas, there happens so much snow. It's unheard of. But we got to make use of the best we have, and we start with cleaning now. Right now it's sunny, and some of the snow is melting, which is a great help. We're trying to work as fast as possible before this sun decides to hide behind the clouds. But so far, it is 15 degrees outside, so it's cold. It's real cold, and it's very cold. It's 15 degrees, and with such a cold weather, as the snow melt from the sun, it freezes. So we have to hurry and get back inside. It is cold. And this is the back of the yard. As you could see, it just a whole lot of snow. So the guys could ski and jet ski and do everything.